These Rubbermaid stools have been a game changer in our house because oftentimes everyone in my house is needing a little step stool to be able to get certain items that are higher up. Like for example, I'm showing you in my kids' closet how we use the step stool to be able to get items out of the closet so that they can do this independently. This stool is 7 inches tall. I actually went ahead and ordered about 5 of these and I have them scattered around the house because we use stools so often. So when I was a kid, we had something very similar, and these are so sturdy. Everyone can stand on this, including my giant husband, and feel safe and secure. This is what it looks like in the bottom. It has these really nice rubber stoppers so that it doesn't skid around. I think that this design, they've been making this for probably decades and has been a really effective model for step stools. Now this can hold up to 200 pounds. These are even stackable. So like I said, I have about 5 of these around the house. They also store really nicely. I even use them in the bathroom for the kids, as well as even next to the toilet as a step stool. So I keep them in the kitchen and all over my house. I highly recommend these 7-inch Rubbermaid step stools. And here's the Rubbermaid kitchen stool in the kitchen. Here's a Rubbermaid kitchen stool that I keep in the pantry. And here's a Rubbermaid kitchen stool that I keep in the bathroom.